This is another example of reverse syllogism. Here, let us see if we can solve it in two methods. One, using just the statements and getting the conclusions without the drawings, and then I will do it with the drawings as well. Okay, let us look at a few options and see if we can eliminate those options. Let us look at option 1. All donkeys are cougars. No cougar is a panda. All pandas are meerkats. So I can't eliminate anything just by reading option 1. So I'll keep it as it is. Okay. Let us look at option 2. No cougar is a donkey and no donkey is a meerkat. Look at this statement. No donkey is a meerkat. It is given in this statement. If no donkey is a meerkat, how can this conclusion come from this set of statements? See, if no donkey is meerkat is given, all donkeys being meerkats is a possibility. Is not possible. So I will cancel this option just by reading. Let us look at the third option. Okay, third option says all donkeys are cougars, but no cougar is meerkat. Okay, all the donkeys are cougars, but there is no cougar which is a meerkat. So then, so it's like saying all donkeys are cougars, no cougar is a meerkat. Then how can donkeys be meerkats? It's not possible. So this and this, if there is no overlap, how can donkeys and meerkats be overlap? Hence this is also not possible. Let us look at the third one. Fourth option. Let's look at no donkey is meerkat. Again it is given. If no donkey is meerkat, this conclusion will not hold. All donkeys being meerkats is possibility is wrong. Again, in the fifth option we have all, so this is also not possible. Fifth option we have is the same as third option. All donkeys are cougars, no cougar is a meerkat. Then we can't have this, all donkeys being meerkats, we can't do. So conclusion 1 is false in option 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hence, my answer would have been 1. Okay, how do I see? In option 2 I have no donkey is meerkat. Okay, see, look at option 2 and option 4. I have no donkey is meerkat. I have no donkey is meerkat. If no donkey is meerkat, all donkeys being meerkats is not possible. Hence, I'll cancel out option 2 and option 4. In option 3 and 5, I have all donkeys are cougars. No cougar is meerkat. All donkeys are cougars. No cougar is meerkat. All donkeys are cougars. No cougar is meerkat. Then I can't have all donkeys being meerkats as a possibility also. Possibility, we remember, is that in any diagram that we draw, it has to be possible. In any one diagram, if it is possible, the conclusion is possible. But here, it is not possible because of the statements. So in 3 and 5 also it is not possible. Hence, it has to be 1. That is one way of solving it. The other way of solving it is I will solve using diagrams, and we will see that indeed 1 has to be the answer. 2, 3, 4 and 5 should not be possible. Let us look at option 1 if you want. We'll first look at option 1. All donkeys are cougars. All donkeys are cougars. No cougar is a panda. So this is my basic drawing. No cougar is a panda. And then all pandas are meerkats. Okay. All pandas are meerkats. So because it has possibility as a conclusion, you will have to draw different drawings to see if it is possible. In one, if it is possible, it is correct. Okay. All donkeys are cougars. No cougar is a panda. And all pandas are meerkats. We got this. So all donkeys being meerkats. See here, all donkeys are meerkats. It is possible. Conclusion 1 is possible. Some meerkats are cougars. These are some meerkats which are cougars. Option 2 is also possible. In one diagram, if it is possible, you don't have to see. In the previous questions, if the basic diagram was true, you had to draw other drawings. Okay, so it had to be true in all the drawings. Here, the conclusion is possibility, which means you only need one tick. One diagram where it should be possible. Here, in one diagram, both are possible. Hence, the conclusion is possible for option 1. So, option 1 is correct. Let us look at option 2. Okay. No cougar, basic drawings. No cougar is a donkey. No donkey is a meerkat. No meerkat is a panda. Okay. So, this is my drawing for option 2. All donkeys being meerkats, not possible. Some meerkats are cougars, is not possible. There is no other way of drawing which will ensure we get those answers. So, this is one way of drawing. So, here all donkeys being meerkats, sorry, all donkeys being meerkats, not possible. Some meerkats are cougars also is not possible. Let us look at some alternate way. For option 2, no cougar is a donkey. No cougar is a donkey. No donkey is a meerkat. and no meerkat or pandas. Okay. All donkeys being meerkats is a possibility? No. Some meerkats being cougars is a possibility. Okay. So here you have conclusion 1 not possible, conclusion 2 possible. Okay, in one diagram, both have to be possible. So in option 2, in an alternate drawing also, it is not possible. Let us draw some more for option 2 only. Okay, no cougar is a donkey. No cougar is a donkey. No donkey is a meerkat. No meerkat is a panda. So this is another way of drawing it. Even here, all donkeys being meerkats, not possible. Some meerkats are cougars. Even here, first conclusion is wrong, but second conclusion is possible. So we need one diagram where both conclusions are possible. Hence, all these are drawings for option 2 only, alternate drawings for option 2. We have not gotten the answer. Hence, conclusion 2 is not possible. Let us look at conclusion 3. If I erase all the ink on this slide, then all the work that we have done on the options on the right, that will also get deleted. That would have been simple to just delete all the ink on this slide, but once I do that, whatever we have written on the right in the options will also be lost. Let us look at option 3. Option 3. All donkeys are cougars. All donkeys are cougars. No cougar is a panda. Option 3. All donkeys are cougars. Oh, sorry. No donkey is a panda. You get no donkey is a panda. And no cougar is a meerkat. So this is one way to write. Then all donkeys are cougars. All donkeys are cougars. No donkey is a panda. No donkey is a panda. No cougar is a meerkat. You can also do this. No donkey is a panda. And no cougar is a meerkat. So even here, no donkey is a panda. No cougar is a meerkat. There should not be any overlap there. Any other way of drawing option 3. All donkeys are cougars. No donkey is a panda. You also draw here. No donkey is a panda. And no cougar is a meerkat. This is another way of drawing. So donkey and panda, there should not be any overlap. Cougar and meerkat, there should not be any overlap. Let us see. All donkeys being meerkats is a possibility. All donkeys and meerkats. So there's no overlap between donkey and meerkats. As we said here, there's no overlap between donkey and meerkats. So conclusion 1 is false. Donkeys being meerkats. How is it possible? Okay, because see, donkeys meerkats not possible. Donkey is entirely inside cougar. Cougar and meerkats, there is no overlap. So donkeys can't be meerkats. Donkeys can't be meerkats. Donkeys can't be meerkats. So there is no overlap. So conclusion 1 is false in all the potential drawings that you draw for option 3. Hence, option 3 is also wrong. Okay, let me do erase all examples. Okay. Now, we've gotten this as correct. This is wrong. This is wrong. Now, let us look at option 4. All cougars are donkeys. All cougars are donkeys. No cougar is a panda. So, no cougar is a panda. No donkey is a meerkat. Okay. All cougars are donkeys. No cougar is a panda. No donkey is a meerkat. Okay, that's one way of doing it. All cougars are donkeys. No cougar is a panda. No donkey is a meerkat. Okay, let us see different ways of drawing. All donkeys being meerkats is a possibility. Let's look at conclusion 1. All donkeys being meerkats not possible. All donkeys being meerkats not possible. Donkeys being meerkats not possible. Conclusion 1 is false. Hence, it will not be option 4 as well. Let's look at option 5. So this is we have this is not possible. Yeah, this is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is possible. Option 5. All donkeys are cougars. All donkeys are cougars. No cougar is a meerkat. And then all pandas are meerkats. One way to draw. All donkeys are cougars. No cougar is a meerkat. and all. There's only one way to draw. There's only one way to draw this particular drawing. Okay, so there's only one way. Both these drawings are the same. Let us look at conclusion one. All donkeys being meerkats is a possibility. No. Some meerkats are cougars is a possibility. No. Both the conclusions are not true. Hence, this is also not true. Our answer will be option 1. So we got the same answer both by our drawings, but we solved it much faster using the words in using the statements alone. We started off with that, but I just wanted to show it using the drawings that these four options, which I highlighted 2, 3, 4, and 5, are not possible.